Hey guys, I'm here with another educational video, and today we're talking about everything you need to know about intermittent fasting. Let's get into it. First, what is intermittent fasting? It's a method of eating where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. There are different ways to do this, but the most popular ones are the 16/8 method, which means you fast for 16 hours and you eat during these 8 hours. Or you can do 24-hour fast and only eat one meal per day. Second, how does it work? When you're eating, you want to eat as healthy as possible so that during your fasting period, your body will burn fat. So the key to this is to make sure that you're not consuming a lot of carbohydrates during your eating period. The best way to burn fat is to be in ketosis. Ketosis is when your body is burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. If you're new to ketosis, I have a whole playlist of videos on ketosis that I'll link down below. Third, why should you do intermittent fasting? There's actually a lot of benefits. 1, it helps you lose weight by reducing the number of calories you consume and also making you more likely to burn fat. Number 2, it helps you control your blood sugar. This is because you're giving your pancreas a break from constantly producing insulin. And number 3, it helps you reduce inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of defending itself from injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a lot of health problems. So by doing intermittent fasting, you're helping to reduce this chronic inflammation. Fourth, who should avoid intermittent fasting? So intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you should avoid it. Also, people with a history of eating disorders, please do not do this. And also, if you're underweight, you should probably avoid it as well. Fifth, how do you get started with intermittent fasting? Start slow. If you've never done it before, start with the 16/8 method. That means you would fast for 16 hours and then you would eat during these 8 hours. And then slowly but surely, you can start extending the amount of time that you fast for. And lastly, do you need to break your fast with a big meal? So when you're breaking your fast, it's important to do it slowly. You don't want to go from 0 to 100 real quick. Start with just a small meal, and then slowly but surely, you can increase the amount of food that you eat. So there you have it, everything you need to know about intermittent fasting. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, we talk about health, fitness, and nutrition, so make sure to subscribe. And lastly, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.